Nice, perfect for the vacation. Ano lang room? Two rooms sa baba. May CR. Then, ito. Family picture. Then, yung kitchen na. Ganda. Hmm? Ano siya? Yung kitchen. Hmm. Wow. So, perfect for the vacation. So, now, ano mo din sa Digos. Hmm? Ang name sa ano? Welcome to Quick Space. Ano siya yung mga ibang batangan. Tips from your host. Most restaurant or coffee are open every day. If you like walking, try it around the block. Easy to shop around by walking or tricycle. 15 pesos. Best drink are at Food Box and Bad Boys. The TV has Netflix and YouTube. About the check out is at 11 a.m. Leave the key card on the table. Make sure to close all windows and doors. Turn off the list, and if you like staying with us, leave us a review. Okay, so nice kind of lights. So nice. Mm.